everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Pentagon Universe membership. I was actually going to film this tomorrow, but I'm filming it tonight because I am actually so excited to unbox this. I know that the day and time doesn't really matter to you guys because this is going to be going up in the afternoon anyway, but I just need you to know that that is how excited I am to open this, that I literally cannot wait like 12 more hours to open this up. And so then I kind of was like, well, maybe I will open it and then do more of like a review instead of like an unboxing. But then I took it out of the box and it's still wrapped in the bubble wrap. And I just started freaking out, and I was like, no, I have to record the initial reaction to this because I am super pumped. So I took it out of the box already. Here it is, which, like, you know, okay. But you can see through the bubble wrap, the cassette tape. I honestly, it's been so long since I ordered this that I kind of forgot what the theme was. So, yeah, all right, let's get started. Let's take off this bubble wrap. Oh my God, it's so, oh, is that that's my membership card. I should probably not, okay. I don't know. Can people like steal my universe identity? I guess I shouldn't probably show that. All right, I covered up my number and my name on there. Again, I don't really know. Can people steal your universe identity? I guess you can. So, all right. This is so cute. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this box. Okay, yeah, so this is the membership card. It comes out. It's got this little, but I'm going to leave it in there just because, like I said, I covered it up. So, let's see. All right, the first thing, obviously, that draws my attention is this washi tape. It kind of looks like the BTS one, which is cool. Hold on, let me find it. Yeah, like it kind of looks, it's the same like concept almost, except BTS's was like movies, and this one is like cassette tape. Like, I wonder if this one is supposed to be more like camera film. Like, yeah, I'm gonna open it. Okay. Oh, but I kind of like don't want to take. No, it's okay. I'm gonna want to use it eventually. Oh, I'm gonna have Pentagon washi tape. That's so exciting. Okay. Gonna hoard that sticker somewhere. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, come on. This is, okay, so this is the third membership, the third fan club membership, but this is my first. So I've never had a Pentagon membership before. Oh, it's like shiny, like real. Oh, maybe it's not. It says masking tape, but oh, dude, okay. Let me show you this. Look how cute. Oh my God, there's so many different pictures. Because then there's like group pictures too. How stinking cute is that? And it's not really washi tape. Like, it's, I don't think I could rip it. It's like plasticky and shiny. That's, okay, this is exciting. Okay, that's freaking cute. I'm really excited to use that. Okay, let's see. A bookmark. Oh, it is a film. Oh, is it supposed to look like a phone camera? I don't know. That's really cute. Let's see. It says Universe Film Bookmark. I can't remember. I think I did an unboxing for my BTS membership. I don't think I did one for Dreamcatcher. That might have come like when I kind of wasn't filming very much. I really haven't done an unboxing in a hot second because I've been getting like stuff later than it's, like I waited to get my Pentagon and Dreamcatcher albums because I originally was gonna get them from the K-pop store in Atlanta, but then because the BTS concert got canceled, I didn't end up going to Atlanta. So then I ordered them online and it took forever to get here. So I felt like by the time it was like here, it was like kind of too late to do an unboxing. Like, yeah, so I haven't been doing unboxings lately, but this just came. I know that it's like, I think Korea has had theirs for a while, but I'm gonna film this anyway. Okay, so I think these are like, oh, they're transparent. Okay, cool. So it's like, these are supposed to be bookmarks. I could never use these for bookmarks. I lose my bookmarks too easily. Cute. Here, I'll put them down here so you can see them. Cute. That's cool. I love transparent photo cards. I really want BTS to do them too because Dreamcatcher has them. And they're just really neat. Okay, those are cute. Oh, cuties. Okay, so what's it? A Polaroid set. I also like don't really know what's, like, this is not like fake surprise. I really don't know what's in this. I saw some people posting pictures from it, but I didn't actually look at any like scans. So, oh, I miss him so much. Oh. For those of you who don't know, he is my bias. But I love them all. How could you not? Oh, cute. Cuties. Stop. This is really a look for him. I'm really obsessed with that look. The long hair, the pink hair. Those are cute. I need to, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if I want to put these in my photo card album or if I want to like find a cool way to display them. I feel like I can't just let them sit in this box forever. I have to do something cool with them. Okay, what's this? Photo set. Oh, they're like oh, they are postcards. Cute. I'll have to find someone that translated those. Cute. Oh. I really wish that Yannon was in these, but that's okay. Oh. I really love Pentagon so much. They are such good boys. I honestly, like, I feel like you know that you're standing a good group when you're like proud to be like a fan of theirs. Like, I'm really proud to be a Universe. Are these stickers? Is there more? They're like the BTS ones. They're heads. Are they stickers? It says stickers. Do they come? How do they come off? Is it like a hole? Do you have to cut it? I don't want to cut it. I'll probably never use these because I don't want to cut it. Like, I used the ones from, I think it was from Love Yourself Answer that BTS had the ones of their heads. I use those like on their birthdays in my calendar, but I have a ton of those because I've bought so many Answer albums. I think it was Answer, wasn't it? I don't know. Anyways. Standing paper frame. I'm like being really careful because I don't want to rip anything. I want it to stay nice. Oh, it's just a frame. Oh, is this just so that I can put the pictures in it? Like these pictures? That's cute. I can put that on my shelf. There's 2 of them. So 2. I think they'll perfectly fit these pictures, I'm guessing. Let's see. Let's pick a random one. Like this. And do you just slide it in? I don't want to mess it up because I'm like in a hurry to see how it works. So I'll pick out some pictures later. I'll do like an update maybe of my K-pop shelf. Since I haven't been doing unboxings, maybe I'll do like a K-pop shelf update. Would you guys be interested in seeing like where I display my merch? That might be kind of a fun video. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in that, because I love showing off that shelf. Okay, oh, this is the photo book. Okay. Oh, is there two photo? Oh, that's a notebook? I will never use this though. Not because I don't like it, but because like I don't wanna use it up. Or like, what if I write something in it that's like it's not good enough? Let's see. Is it a notebook? Oh, it's like a bullet journal. That's cool. Maybe I will have to find a way to use this to like something that has to do with Pentagon though. Like maybe, oh, cute. I need to find translations for all of these. Oh, cool. I feel like it's a waste if I don't use it, but like, what if I mess it up? I don't know. I'm just like, I'm the same way with like the washi tapes and stuff though, but I've been really good lately about using the BTS ones, because I have this one too from, I think, the winter package, or the season's greetings last year, I think. I didn't get it, but my friend did and gave me this because they were like, I'm never gonna use the washi tape. But I did get the one like I showed earlier from the army membership, and I do use them quite a bit, but I'm just like, they're eventually gonna run out. Okay, I'm gonna put all this stuff back in here for now, and let's take a look at the photo book. Let's set that aside. So, I've kind of said this in other unboxings. I think I maybe talked about it in my memories, my 2018 BTS memories unboxing. I'm not going to show the whole photo book because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't know if I'll get in trouble for that. So I'm going to flip through it, and then I'll just like, when I'm editing, I'll pick out some things to show. Okay, so let's see. Cute, we've already seen that picture. Cutie. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of like makes me sad because I really miss him a lot. Okay. Really though, like Hui and Tae pulling off the blue mullets, like I really love that for me. That looks like it's gonna be my new home screen on my phone. The setup is really cute too, how it's like a notebook and it's got like the paper clips on it. Hongsuk has the prettiest lips. Do you ever have like an idol that just like makes you happy just looking at them? I feel like Shinwon is that for me. Wait. Oh, I just realized it has their birthday at the top. That's cool. Stop! He's so cute. Yes, this is a look for real. Love this. I really love this for me. Also, I love that, not to be an army verse, but I love that Wooseok and Jungkook had long hair at the same time. They're so cute. Besties for the restie. Aww. This is the only thing I don't like about photo books like this, is that you get a crease. Cute. I love this. I love this. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just really excited to have this in my possession. I can't wait to add it to my K-pop shelf. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in seeing a like a K-pop shelf update, like almost like a tour. I mean, it's not like really big enough for a tour, although I do remember somebody asking like a long time ago for a desk tour, and I still haven't done that. Part of the reason is because my desk is just kind of like crazy. It's sort of organized, but it's also this like really old desk that I inherited from like my great grandpa. And when I move, I really want to get like a nice big desk that will really like work for what I use it for. So that's kind of why I haven't done that yet. But if you want to do a K-pop shelf or like a K-pop merch tour, that might be kind of fun. So let me know. What do you think? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun opening this and sharing it with you guys. Did anybody else get the Universe membership? Let me know in the comments so we can be Universe friends together. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!